Okay, you've got 20 points in your pocket, so let's roll along here. We're going to see if we can't add some color to this thing on well, besides the salmon color. What I want to do is make the color for each side different. Now, before we do this, we've got to come up here and go to File, Save As, and you're going to see the same thing we had before, but it's going to be 03 now. And the reason I want you to do that is so I can look at these things and see how you're progressing. And we'll just keep this sort of standard way of going. So, okay. Now, what I want to do is to get rid of the of this one. And by the way, when we do that, the default's black. So if I ran this thing, it'd be black. I could do that, but trust me, you get black. What I want to do is make a list, and I'm going to call it CLR for color. Now, I abbreviate things from sometimes, and the way I usually do it is just remove the vowels. And then if you see that, you know it's something I made up. And what we want to do is to make a list, and the list is made by using a square bracket, and we're going to do some 4 colors. BLUE, say, comma. How about red, RED, comma. See, nope, got to finish it here, or it won't like it. And how about yellow, quote, yellow, LLOW. And how about green? And again, forgot to put the quotes. Nope. And that should do it. 4 of them. Square brackets, so you make sure. Got square brackets for the list. And you got commas in here and not periods. That's always good. I had a period one when I was doing it before. All right, now, what I have to do, though, is to figure out how to get these colors on each one of these steps. So what I do here is to come in. I'm going to create another variable. I'm going to call it variable j equals I, and I'm going to use the % times 4. That means I divided by 4. But when you have the %, it just keeps the remainder. It's only integer division, and it keeps the remainder. So what that means is j will go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, and so forth. You have to think about this, but modular arithmetic, by the way, it's the basis of all the encryptions and so forth. So now we need to make color, and what we do is we put in here me dot pen color, like we had before, and remember we had it in parentheses. Only now what we need to do is to put this list in with an index. So we do CLR bracket J bracket, or I mean square bracket, right? So whatever J is, we have this in here. And this, if we're lucky, might work. Nah, not lucky. And here we go. And you can see how this is working, huh? Pretty neat. It's funny, they're all just squares. Well, almost a little bit more than squares. Now I'd urge you to experiment and try 89 degrees or 88 instead of 92 and so forth. And you're going to get tired of waiting for it. So there's a way you can speed this thing up. And what you do is let's do it up here. We type in me.speed 0. Now that's again part of the Turtle library, which will speed this thing up. Now, the computer is running at an incredibly fast rate, and we're only doing this 30 times a second. So I would say the computer runs several hundred times faster, and this just allows you to skip a few of the steps and move and print a little faster. So if I do this thing again, you'll see what I mean. So now try, 135 degrees, try 15 degrees, try all sorts of things. Just get a feeling for how this thing works. And pick yourself up another 10 points. How about that?